Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the Nintendo Classic Mini Systems. So what I got here is the European Australian version, the US version and the Japanese version. I won't be opening the Japanese version as it looks the same as the European and Australian version. I just like the box art better. There's a few different games that were exclusive to the Japanese version other than the US or Europe style of mini console. So let's get into it. Start off with showing you the box art for the Japanese system, and let's start with the US color variant. These systems come packaged exactly the same. They just same games, just the color of the console is different and the controller. So there's your US variant. There. Okay. Next up is the Europe and Australian. Same backing on both versions. Turn that one around so you can see the back. Bit of paperwork. Now I grew up in Australia, so that's the variant I'm used to. I do, however, like the US colours. One of the reasons I picked it up, besides being a collector. That there is the controller, 4 colours on the front rather than 2 different colour purples, and that's it. So if you didn't know already, or you were interested to know which games didn't make the cut in the Japanese release, they were Earthbound, Kirby's Dream Course, Super Castlevania 4 and Super Punch-Out. The 4 exclusive games that Japanese got were Goemon, Super Soccer, Fire Emblem Mystery of the Emblem, and Panel D Pon. Thanks for watching, guys. These have been out in the wild for a while now. Let me know if you grabbed one, which one you grabbed, which style you prefer. If you did grab the Japanese one for the exclusives, it doesn't really matter because you can just grab any version and mod it, put whatever games you like on it. But being a collector, I wanted to have all three versions. So yeah, if you did like this video, if you like this type of content, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.